Good afternoon. My name is Tom Brinsonoff, certified master mechanic out of Reading, Pennsylvania, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about some of the symptoms. What are some of the symptoms of a bad throttle? I'm going to elaborate a little bit on that one and stretch it a little bit and say what are some of the symptoms of a bad throttle body. It's basically the term they've used over the last couple of years. And it basically refers to what it used to be an old carburetor. It's just your air intake, the body that controls your throttle blade. Some of the biggest symptoms you'll have of a bad throttle body are sticking gas pedal. You'll feel a little bit of a hesitation, a little bit of a stop when you push on the gas pedal. Some of the other symptoms you might see is a rough idle, a low idle, hesitation. Typically, throttle bodies don't go bad. Maybe if you have over 100,000 miles, it might be worn to the point that it doesn't need to be replaced. 90% of the throttle bodies today, unfortunately, you can't repair. They're serviced as a unit, which basically means they take them off and just put a whole new unit in it, and they are quite expensive. But typically, the only thing that really goes bad with a throttle body in today's age is basically dirt buildup. They usually have an intake air valve on them. They have different vacuum ports on them, and right around the throttle blades, they end up picking up dirt. The best thing to do is get in there with a soft toothbrush and a little throttle body cleaner and just scrub them out pretty good. And that pretty much takes care of 90% of the problems with throttle bodies. But hopefully that cleared it up for you. And what are some of the problems with a throttle and some of the symptoms with a throttle body?